Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hopefully get back to some regular video making soon, but just want to do a quick little video. I just picked up the KTM 200, so I haven't got a chance to really go out on it yet, but we will soon. I'm just going to be showing you guys a quick install for the kickstand. So I picked up this kickstand from AliExpress. It's just about, it's way cheaper than Amazon for the exact same one. You look at the pictures, it's the exact same one. I think I paid about 50 bucks for it, and Amazon shows it for 70 or 80 bucks. So I'll post a link for the one that I bought in the description below. And otherwise, let's get to this install. So it came with the kickstand, some bolts, and some spacers. So let's figure out how to put this together. Okay, so first we're just gonna push the spacer in. Like that. So the spring holder just has a spacer and a screw. We're just going to throw some Loctite on there. Ooh, a lot of Loctite. And then we'll just screw that in. So there you go. Alright, so the spring is hanging here. Just going to clip on the... Oop, and now it's not hanging. So we'll just clip the we'll clip it through and hang it from the spring in the back. And so then you can use a pry bar if you want, or if you think you're strong enough, you can just pull her down and get her in. Right there. A little Loctite on the next bolt, and then there's a spacer that goes with the bolt. So we can just screw that in. There we go, got that nice and snug. Now let's test it out. One quick kickstand install. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.